Welcome to the Auto Report channel, and this is a video about the Morris Minor. Enjoy watching.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a familiar name reborn with a bold new identity. This is the 2026 Morris Minor, a modern reinterpretation of one of the most beloved classics in British automotive history. It carries the charm and warmth of the original, but now with a sharper, more muscular presence and technology that prepares it for the roads of the future. The front of the car immediately captures attention. The rounded fenders and signature classic face are still there, but now the headlights feature clean LED halos that create a confident and expressive look. The grille has been reshaped with a refined mesh design that gives the car a more purposeful stance. The lower bumper sits closer to the ground with performance-inspired air channels, allowing this historic shape to feel lively and athletic rather than dated. The vivid lime green finish is highlighted with subtle striping that flows across the hood and curves with the car's natural lines, adding motion and personality. The car maintains its recognizable silhouette along the sides. The flowing curve of the roof and the softly rounded doors are preserved, but the body now feels more grounded thanks to widened fenders and sport-tuned wheels. This updated stance changes everything. The Morris Minor now sits like a driver's car, confident and ready, not merely a nostalgic showpiece. The custom paint accents contour the classic shape with a contemporary edge, creating a fusion of past elegance and modern rhythm. At the rear, the familiar sloping form remains intact. The taillights are redesigned with a clean LED signature that blends with the classic teardrop housings. A polished bumper and dual exhaust tips sit above a modern lower diffuser, giving the car a capability-oriented look without losing the gentle simplicity that made the original so iconic. It feels like a proper tribute, respectful, not imitative. The interior continues this philosophy beautifully. The original wooden dashboard elements are still present, creating a warm and timeless environment. But now they are paired with integrated digital displays that handle navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information with smooth clarity. Soft tan and black upholstery creates a comfortable and inviting cabin, brought to life by ambient LED lighting woven beneath the dashboard and floor panels. The steering wheel is compact and sporty, and the gear shifter sits perfectly in hand, adding a tactile driving connection that brings enjoyment back to the forefront. Under the hood, this reimagined Morris Minor is offered with a modern powertrain. A turbocharged 1.5-liter engine is expected to deliver a lively and enjoyable driving experience, with significantly more capability than the original model ever had. For enthusiasts of the new era, a fully electric drivetrain option is also anticipated, offering smooth acceleration and silent performance, while retaining the unmistakable Morris personality on the outside. Pricing is expected to begin around $38,000 and may reach $60,000 or more, depending on performance upgrades and drivetrain selection. Availability is projected to begin in late 2026, and production is likely to be limited, preserving the exclusivity of this revival. The 2026 Morris Minor is not just a restored classic. It is a heartfelt reinterpretation, a reminder of the beauty of timeless shapes, brought into the present with intention, imagination, and respect. It is a car that connects memory to movement, history to now. If you enjoyed this feature, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more future automotive showcases, and share your thoughts below. Would you drive this modern Morris Minor masterpiece?